Hello students, in today's video we will discuss about exercise 2.3 of class 7. Exercise 2.3. Your number 1, find first bit I 1 by 4 of A, 1 by 4 B, 3 by 5 C, 4 by 3. First one is 1 by 4 of means into your question is 1 by 4 equals to numerator is multiplied with numerator and denominator is multiplied with denominator. 1 1 ja 1, 4 4 ja 16. It is your answer. Then come to your B. Your question 1 by 4 again of means into B is 3 upon 5 equals to both the numerators 1 3 ja 3 upon 4 5 ja 20. Okay, come to your third bit 1 by 4 of means into 4 by 3 equal to 1 4 ja 4 upon 4 3 ja 12. It is your answer. Then come to your double I bit 1 by 7 of your bit A, 2 by 9 B, 6 by 5 C, 3 by 10. Your first A is 1 by 7 of means into 2 by 9 equals to 1 2 ja 2 upon 7 9 ja 63 is your answer. Then B 1 by 7 again into 6 by 5, both the numerators 1 6 ja 6 upon 7 5 ja 35. Then C 1 by 7 again of means into 3 by 10 equals to 3 1 ja 3, 10 7 ja 70 is your answer. Now come to your number 2. The question is multiply and reduce to lowest form. Okay, bit I 2 upon 3 into 2 whole 2 upon 3 equals to here 2 whole 2 upon 3. It is in the mixed fraction form, so at first we have to change it into improper fraction. That means 2 upon 3 into, if it is changed into improper fraction, it will become 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 upon 3 equals to, now multiply both the numerators, 2 8 ja 16 and both the denominators 3 3 ja 9. Here it is in the form of a improper fraction, so we should convert it into mixed fraction. Equals to, if it is converted, it will become 1 whole 7 upon 9. Okay, now second bit 2 upon 7 into 7 upon 9. Here multiply both the numerators. 2 7 ja 14 upon 7 9 ja 63. Okay, it is divisible by 7. 7 2 ja 14, 7 9 ja 63, 2 upon 9. Here you can divide it here also, because both can be divisible. 7 and 7 can be divided. Come to your third bit. 3 upon 8 into 6 upon 4. Multiply both the numerators. 6 3 ja 18 upon 32. Here both the numerals can be divisible by 2. 2 9 ja 18, 2 16 ja 32. So your answer is 9 upon 16. Come to your bit number IB. 9 upon 5 into 3 upon 5 equals to, multiply both the numerators first. 9 3 ja 27 upon 5 5 ja 25. It is in the form of a improper fraction, so we have to convert it into an mixed fraction, and it will become 1 whole 2 upon 25. Bit number B. 1 upon 3 into 15 upon 8 equals to, multiply both the numerators. 15 1 ja 15, then both the denominators. 8 3 ja 24. It is already in the form of a proper fraction, but both the numbers can be divisible by 3. 3 5 ja 15, 3 8 ja 24. So your answer is 5 upon 8. Then come to your bit number BI. Your question is 11 upon 2 into 3 upon 10 equals to, multiply both the numerators. 11 3 ja 33 upon 10 2 ja 20. It is in the form of a improper fraction, so let's convert it into mixed fraction. It will become 1 whole 13 upon 20. Come to your BII bit. 4 upon 5 into 12 upon 7. Multiply both the numerators. 12 4 ja 48 upon 7 5 ja 35. It is also in the form of an improper fraction. Let's convert it. It will become 1 whole 13 upon 35. 2 upon 5 into 5 whole 1 upon 4. Here it is a mixed fraction. First we have to convert it into improper fraction, equals to 2 upon 5 into, if it is converted, 4 5 ja 20, 20 plus 1 21 upon, denominator remains the same, 4, equals to, now we can simply multiply both the numerators and both the denominators. 21 2 ja 42 upon 5 4 ja 20. Now it is a improper fraction, but both the numbers can be divisible by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 10 ja 20 equals to 21 by 10. It is also a improper fraction, so let's convert it. It will become 2 whole 1 upon 10. Okay, then come to your second double I bit. 6 whole 2 upon 5 into 7 upon 9 equals to, here it is also mixed fraction, so let's convert it. 5 6 30, 30 plus 2 32 upon 5 into, it is 7 upon 9. Now multiply both the numerators. 224 upon 5 9 45. It will become 4 whole 44 upon 45. Now come to your triple I bit. 3 upon 2 into 5 whole 1 upon 3 equals to 3 upon 2 into, it is a mixed fraction, so let's convert it into improper fraction. 3 5 15 plus 1 16 upon 3. Let's multiply both the numerators first. 16 3 48 upon 3 2 6 equals to, this 48 is divisible by 6. 6 8 48, so your answer is only 8. Come to your IV bit. 5 upon 6 into 2 whole 3 upon 7 equals to 5 upon 6 into, it is a mixed fraction, so let's convert it. 7 2 14 plus 3 17 upon 7 equals to, now multiply both the numerators. 17 3 85, 6 7 42. Okay, now let's convert it into mixed fraction, and it will become 2 whole 1 upon 42. Then your bit number B, 3 whole 2 upon 5 into 4 upon 7 equals to, it is a mixed fraction, let's convert it into improper fraction. 5 3 15 plus 2 17 upon 5 into 4 upon 7. 17 4 60, 5 7 35, and when it is converted into mixed fraction, it will become 1 whole 33 by 35. Come to your next BI. 2 whole 3 upon 5 into 3. It is a mixed fraction, let's convert it. 5 2 10 plus 3 13 upon 5 into 3. Here 3 means 3 upon 1, so 3 is the numerator. Now multiply both the numerators. 13 3 39 upon 5, and when 39 upon 5 is converted into mixed fraction, it will become 7 whole 4 upon 5. Your next bit, B double I, 3 whole 4 upon 7 into 3 upon 5 equals to, a mixed fraction. When it is converted into improper fraction, it will become 7 3 21 plus 4 25 upon 7 into 3 upon 5. Now multiply both the numerators and both the denominators. 25 3 are 75 upon 35. Here both the numbers are divisible by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25, 5 7 ja equals to 15 upon 7, and when it is converted into mixed fraction it will become 2 whole 1 upon 7.